I'm all large personally signed, but it's supposed to be a plug. Let's turn off the stove. It's not lightweight device. It's supposed to be plug me out. Let's place it carefully about and secured. We'll be on the ground shortly. Thank you. Have a look at the Fairbanks.
Well, hello. This is my first installment. We made it to Alaska, and this is where we're staying at. You can see behind me. This is Princess Lodge in Fairbanks, Alaska. There you go. So, but it's a nice morning. This is their sunrise. You can see up there. See the sunrise. But anyway, I thought I'd start my videos. I do have some that are I'm working on right now, and obviously you guys know who I am, Trail Rider 570. But we're gonna walk around. I absolutely love it here. I really do. I tell you what, if I could, this is where I'd live. But the winters here kind of suck. But we're gonna walk. She says to go around in the back and check out the river, so we're gonna go over there. Yeah, this is Princess Lodge, Fairbanks Princess Riverside Lodge is where this is, what we got here. Then we're going down here in a minute here. We're gonna go around back here. This I was told, she told me this is seasonal. Wintertime they shut this lodge down. This isn't open, obviously. And it's strictly for the cruisers. but she said you got to go check out the river. So that's what we're doing. I'll turn the camera around here. Maybe a little quiet too, because some people are still probably sleeping. But right here's a river, guys. Here we go. Got to turn adjustment camera for you. Look at this. There's a river boat over there. You can see right there a boat launch over there. Look at there. There's a beaver. Oh, ain't that cool? My first wildlife. Here comes another one. Look at the beavers. Look at him go. Look at him dragging sticks. Just swimming away there. Not a care in the world. This is so cool, guys. It really is. We'll go around the other side here and see if I can catch him again. He's still swimming. He isn't trying to get away. But yeah, this is kind of cool. You can see the back cell lodge here. Apparently at one time this must have had a bridge or something going across here. Here. Let's see where they're at. Just went by. They took it out and made a boat launch out. Here he comes. Look at him. Just swimming away. Just going at it. That is so cool. My first Alaskan wildlife. Just dragging that stick with him. I have to go get my wife. Alright guys, we'll get you some more here.
behalf of United Airlines, but especially this entire flight crew, we'd like to be first welcome to Fairbanks, Alaska. Local time here is approximately 9:40. Please remember, there's a minus 3-hour time change from Chicago. We will be taxiing for a few more moments. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Once we reach the gate, the captain will then turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will be your indication that it is safe to move about. When deplaning, please check your overhead bins and the seating area around you for any personal items you may have brought on board with you. And please use care when opening the overhead bins, for your luggage may have shifted throughout our flight. The use of cellular telephones is not permitted at this time in transmit mode. Once we reach the gate, the captain will then turn off the seatbelt sign. We ask that you please do not congregate in the galleys and around the doorways. Please let lieutenants complete final safety checks. On behalf of United Airlines, or especially this entire flight crew, we'd like to take the opportunity to thank you for flying with us today. We certainly hope you enjoyed your flight. When your future plans call for your travel, we hope once again will stay here with us on another United flight. We wish you the most pleasant stay here in Fairbanks and a safe journey to your final destination.
Well, you can't see it now.
Once again, flight, thank you for flying with us here at United. Have a good night.